Do you know you can get an AI camera and Android 15 on a phone under 100k? That is Tecno Pop 10. Let me show you what it can actually do. Hello everyone, my name is Ola from IT Solution. Today we are reviewing the Tecno Pop 10 3GB RAM, 64GB ROM and 128GB model. This new budget phone comes with an Android 15 Go edition and claims an AI rear camera. Let's check if it's actually delivered. The Pop 10 acts as 6.67-inch HD plus IPS LCD screen with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It is great for scrolling and watching videos. It feels lightweight in the hand and comes in slim plastic builds. You also get a side-mounted rear fingerprint sensor and face unlock for easy access, even with gloves. Now, network SIM and connectivity. It is a dual nano SIM phone that supports 2G, 3G, 4G LTE with VO LTE. It connects via Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi dual band, and charges over USB-C, a big upgrade from micro USB. Over to the camera. The rear camera is 13 megapixel AI dual LED flash. It takes bright daylight photos, good colors, and decent details. The selfie camera is 8 megapixel, perfect for video calls and brightness AI beauty filters. It can record from 1080p at 30 fps from both cameras. Now, performance and software. The phone runs Android 15 Go edition with HiOS 15.1, which is lightweight and clean. It is powered by UNESCO T7250 on 3GB RAM, either the 64GB ROM or the 128GB of ROM. Both are expandable via microSD up to 2TB. Everyday apps, WhatsApp, browsing, YouTube videos all go smoothly on Tecno Pop 10, but don't expect an heavy game performance. It is not meant for gaming. I tell you something. Now, battery and charging. It has a 5000 mAh battery lasting a full day of mixed usage. Charging is smooth via USB-C, though the charger is only 10 watts. So, full charge might take about 2 hours or thereabouts. There are some additional features that comes with Tecno Pop 10. You get a Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio, a GPS with a GPS support. The side fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, and the face unlock works well, even in dim light. It supports all Nigerian's LTE bands, including band 40 and band 41. Now the pros and cons. The Tecno Pop 10 rocks Android 15 Go edition, expandable RAM and storage, the fingerprint scanner plus face unlock, the USB Type-C, dual SIM LTE with 5000 strong mAh battery. Now the cons. The camera only works well in daylight, no fast charging, just 10 watts, and basic CPU not for gaming. I said it earlier, it is not for gaming. It is not meant for gaming. Now, final opinion. Just for 100k or thereabout, the Pop 10 gives unmatching values. If you need a reliable phone that can call, text, browse, take clear photos, or watching videos, it's not for power users, but nails the basic. What features impress you most in Tecno Pop 10? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what features impressed you most in Tecno Pop 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a share if this review really helped. More videos are coming every week on Mighty Solution, and do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Love you.